So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41 verse 10. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tasha Brew and I want to share my hair journey with you, and most definitely you. Alright, let's get to it. We're actually going to take down this old hairstyle. Typically when I do apply gels to my hair, I like to wash my hair soon after. So this style has been a few days old. I want to say under a week, but definitely more than 4 days. And I'm going in with my spray bottle, as you guys just saw. And it consists of fenugreek seeds, aloe vera juice, and MSM powder. If you guys would like a tutorial of that, definitely let me know in the comment section so I can do one. And then I'm going in with the Natural Pudding Souffle. It's a moisturizer by Eden Body Works, and I'm using that for this style today as I take down the two sides of my hair. So I'm going in with each section. If I'm feeling that it's dry, I reapply the liquid from the spritz bottle, and then you'll see me applying the Eden Body Works pudding. And as I'm doing this, I'm also finger detangling as well, and you guys can see that process here. What do we have here? So we do lose about 100 strands of hair per day, and so this is probably 1 through let's say 40. So I'm definitely expecting to see a lot more as I use my detangler. But yeah, this is what I found from kind of going in and partially finger detangling as I take the left side of my hair down. So I am actually going to put up that front section of my hair with a silk scrunchie, and then just kind of detangle a little bit with my fingers. I'm going to also be applying some of the moisturizer again, as well as spraying the spritz bottle, just so that when I go into the section with tools, I'm not really tugging on my hair, or it's not really snagging my hair. And yeah, this is just kind of how I'm preparing for the style. I don't know about any of you guys, but sometimes I just get so lost in like combing my hair or massaging my hair. It's just so soothing for me. Like I'll just close my eyes and just comb through it. Like it's so relaxing, especially when I get to like my scalp area. Oh my goodness, like it's just such a soothing thing for me. So let me know if you guys experience the same thing. But right now I'm actually going to be applying the castor oil. I have a love-hate relationship with gel, and so literally anytime gel touches my hair, I want to wash my hair out immediately. So the castor oil is going to pose as a barrier between the gel and my hair. And so I applied that and then twisted up that section, and now I'm just moving onto the front of my hair, and I'm literally doing the same thing, applying the moisturizer as well as spraying my spritz bottle and then combing that section out. So now moving on to the right side of my hair, I'm literally doing the same thing, spraying my hair as well as applying moisturizer, unbraiding, and then breaking that bigger section into 2 smaller sections. Nothing to see here, just showing off my guns. Pew, pew. Okay, because that took a lot of work. I got super excited and then quickly realized that my work on this side of my hair is not complete. I need to still detangle. So I still have some more work to do. Putting those guns back to work. Now that I'm officially done with detangling, I'm actually going to start with the process now. I decided on going with a middle part, and so that's what I'm trying to create now with the plastic rat tail comb. And yeah, let me know in the comment section, do you guys prefer middle parts, side parts, or no parts for your buns? Yeah, because I feel like depending on what you choose can form or shape your face in a particular way. So I'm really curious to know what you guys prefer. So let me know down below. So I'll be using a donut for this style. I decided that I wanted my part to be even straighter, so I'm actually going to be going in with a different rat tail comb. This one has a metal end, and it just gives me a straighter look. So I'm going in again with that, and I'll link this in the description box below as well. So I'm actually going in with the edge booster. It's the Hold styling gel. It's the sweet peach scent. I'm actually gonna go in with that and just put it on the top of my hair. I've noticed that some people apply it in different sections of their hair, but I really don't. Like I said, I have a love-hate relationship with gel, so I'm only applying it in the topmost part of my hair. And right now I am brushing my hair. Just the areas that I've applied the gel, and I'm trying to brush it and get it to kind of form the shape that I'm going for, as well as trying to slick it down. As you guys can see, I'm trying to grab as much hair as possible and just shape my hair so that when I do put that scrunchie in, everything or all the hairs in the back of my head can kind of just stay put. And it's not like this puffy. Like I said, I don't apply gel in different sections of my hair, so it might be a little poofy, and I'm totally fine with that. So I am going to go in and apply a little bit more gel once I put that scrunchie in, and then brush it a couple of more times, so I can really get that slick look in this area. So I'm basically done here, guys. Getting a little excited. So mini dance break. Woo woo. Okay. Here is my donuts. Okay. And my hair is already moisturized and detangled. And so basically what I'm doing here is kind of just evening my hair out to make sure that there is hair covering the donut on each side. And then I'm grabbing the scrunchie and putting that over the hair that's over the donut. the donut. As you can see, I wanted this part or section to be as smooth as possible, so I did brush that down a little bit before putting the scrunchie on, and then wrapping that hair under the donut or under the scrunchie to kind of hide those hairs. Alright, and now what I'm doing is going in with a second scrunchie to just secure all those little hairs in place. Alright, I'm not a pro at the edge look just yet, okay? So here I'm going to make an attempt at, kind of getting my edges together, and it's not gonna be anything fancy schmancy, okay? But yeah, just work with me, guys. I am just kind of pulling the hairs back so that they can join with the rest of my hair. I'm kind of just putting the little pieces of my hair, those little edge pieces, and brushing them back so that they can join the rest of my hair. I am going to go in with some pens, and these pens are just for holding purposes, and I'm going to do my best to hide them here so that no one sees them. Alright, that is it, guys. I am all done. I'm gonna wrap this up and let's see what I look like. Wow, you did that, sis. You did that. Okay. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Once again, it's Tasha Brew, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.